We're back with you here, and the Outlaws came back out here to jump Gladius, and you got Bash and the guy we saw make his debut a few weeks ago, the guy from the crowd. We got a standoff here. Oh, we got a big fight. The Outlaws are taking control of these three guys. Bash and John Dredd, Axel Ross and Gladius, and Rick Ryan.
Who do you think you are?
Unbelievable. Wait a minute. What? Wait, we got triple submission. We got triple submission here. We got a triple submission. All members of the Outlaws are tapping out here. What the hell?
Where the hell did that come from? All right, we're out of here.
Unbelievable. An attack here by these three guys. We saw Bash compete earlier.